Hey my beauties, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my another makeup challenge video. Today I'm going to do a no mirror makeup challenge. I'm so nervous. I'm not ready for it. Let's do it and let's see how it turns out. Let's start the tutorial. Okay, firstly I'm going to prime my face with this blackout primer. Okay, I can do it. Now it's time for foundation. For today's look, I'm going to use my La Femme foundation, shade number 1. One natural shade, natural baby. Oh. Let's blend it with this beauty blender. I'm afraid of my hijab. Now I'm using this Golden Rose compact powder. I think that's enough. It's time for blush. Now I'm going to use this blush from Outdoor Girl, and I'm really nervous right now. It should be right measurement, right? Allah. Only a little bit. To highlight my face, I'm going to use this MOA highlighter. I think that's enough. I'm going to use my Odbo eyebrow cream like always. Let's do it very gently. That's so hard. Now it's time for eyes. কেমন এখন পর্যন্ত? ভালো. For my today's look, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty palette. Now I'm going to mix this Bushy and Cocoa shade. ভয়ানক বিষয়টা এটা ট্রাই করিস অনেক ফ্রাস্ট্রেটিং কিন্তু আরাম লাগতেছে আজকে ফিল করতে পারতেছি কি আরাম লাগে যদি করলে the perfectioner চটপটে থাকে now I'm going to use some kajal from Ushash. I think that's enough. I'm going to pick some Bushy and Cocoa again to blend the edges. Ki hoibo? Now I picked some black eyeshadow to blend the kajal. Oh, my eyes are so watery. Mo jana ki choltase? No mirror makeup challenge চলতেছে
কার আয়না ছাড়া মেকআপ
আয়না না দেখা মেকআপ
কেন
এটা চ্যালেঞ্জ
আয়না দেখ
আয়না দেখা যাবে না সে চোখ বন্ধ করে আসতেছে কে ভালো না
নষ্ট হয়ে গেলে কি করবি
Okay. Okay. Now I want glitter in my this inner corner. I'm going to mix this glitter and this glitter. This is white glitter, shade number 1 from Kiss Beauty Technique, and this one is from Technique. চোখের ভিতরে গেছে গা।
কেমনে গেল? ও এত কথা বলছ না।
না
ওই যে না মানে
লাগে আছে।
এই দিয়েছি অনেক কিছু
ও ওরা ইয়ে দেখতে ঢুকে গেছে।
দেখো না
বিট আছে। I didn't see mirror. Okay, I'm going to. I'm going to use this old bow highlighter. Okay. Okay, it's time for mascara. I'm going to use my Golden Rose mascara. I can do it, I can do it. Oh, I forgot my lower line. I forgot to use shade in my lower line. Now I'm picking the same shade. I did everything. Now it's time for some eyelash. Now it's time for falsies. Oh my god. I'm really confused right now.
হয়ে গেছে আর দৌড়িস না বাবু তাতেই শেষ করে দে ভিডিও তাইলে আর খারাপ লাগবো না দেখি জুম করি রং রং দেখা দে হ্যাঁ চোখটা
Okay, I think that's okay. Now it's time for lipstick. For my lips, I'm going to use this nude lipstick from NYX. Hope for the best. Okay. আইছে That's it. I'm done. I'm so nervous to see the mirror. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Wow. Oh shit, my hijab.
ভিডিও করে
Guys, it's not that bad. Guys, that's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also enable the notification bell because the notification bell is every time I upload. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow then. Till then, bye bye.